Hi guys, how's everybody doing today? Welcome to Levi's Kitchen and Chef Boyarte. I'm your host, Levi's Mendoza. Today, I'm gonna show you how to cook pork estupado. Or I should say, pork umba sa Pampanga. Ganun pa man, ay nasa kusina at umpisan na natin to. Let's go! Vamonos! Okay, let's cook the plantain. Put a little bit of cooking oil. Put it air fryer. 10 minutes. 300 degrees Fahrenheit. So after 10 minutes, the plantain is ready and cooked. So bali rito mga kaibigan, meron akong tubig na mainit. Ilalagay ko yung pork, bay leaves, peppercorn, and we're gonna boil this one for 35 minutes para mawala lang yung lansa or yung musky smell ng baboy or ng pork hock. After we boil it for 35 minutes, we're gonna throw the water out and we make a new batch. Okay, ganito mga kaibigan, lutuin lang po natin yung pork estupado. Let's cook our pork estupado. Now we putting our pork pata on a wok. And lagay ko na lahat yung kanyang sangkap. Brown sugar, vinegar, light soy sauce, garlic, oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, white onion, black pepper powder, peppercorn, at saka pork powder. Lagay na yan. 4 na tasang basong tubig or 4 cups of water. Bay leaves. And this recipe, make sure you only cook it in a medium heat. Huwag mo natin lakasan ng apoy. Baka pumakat yung brown sugar sa ilalim. Hindi masarap ang pagkagawa niya. Yun lang po. Mga kababayan, after 90 minutes, slow cooking the pork estupado. Now we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients. Let's add the lily flower and the banana plantains, and let's cook this one for another 15 minutes and this baby is done. Hey guys, here's your yummy pork estupado, freshly made. Kailangan lang nito ay mainit na kanin or sinangag na maraming bawang. Oops, don't forget the pritong tuyo dahil match na match to sa pritong tuyo. Okay, enjoy this. Hope you did not hear that I shared to a while ago kung paano magluto ng pork estupado. Estupado. At sa susunod, kung sana kayo magsara sa kakapalo namin ng vlog, because I still got so many recipes that I'm gonna share with you guys. Till then, peace out. Babu.